Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Affinity video tutorial. Now for today's episode guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a complete cable, an Ethernet cable guys. Make it according to the length that you actually want to make it. Some persons can purchase it at the local PC store, purchase 1 meter or 25 meters. It all depends on the size that you need, but if you're at home and you want to make your cable to a particular length, then I'm going to show you how to do that. Now all that you're going to need is your crimping tool, of course. So this is an example of a crimping tool. I need the ends, so the two Ethernet ends. Of course you can use a tester, that is if you have one. After you finish after you complete make the cable, then you will be able to test and see if the cable actually works before you plug it into your router and your PC, of course. And of course you're gonna need your cable, Cat 5, Cat 4, Cat 6 cable. This one is the Cat 4 cable. So let's go ahead and prepare the ends. So you're gonna use your crimping tool. Just get off about 2 inches in terms of the cable. So get off this. Now what we need to do now is to get the color code correctly organized. So first we're going to start out with orange and white. So to release the wires or to unfold the wires, you can use this technique. You just simply put the piece that you get off over it. Start out guys with orange and white. So orange and white, then orange, and then we're gonna move over to the green, so the third one should be green and white. And then unfold the blue, so you're gonna go with straight blue after green and white. You have to ensure that these wires they are straight as much as possible. Then you're going to go with the blue and white, then green, that's a total green. So as you can see, as I'm going along, just trying to straighten the wires. And then the final set of wires, brown and white now, and finally the brown. So here you go guys. So start out again with orange and white, orange, then you have green and white, then blue, blue and white, then green, and then of course the brown and white, and finally the brown. So next thing is to cut off the extra edges. Now the sizes, you can leave like about an inch or something close to an inch. Ensure that the ends they are lined out equally. Then this is Ethernet end. I'm gonna get it in. Now guys, I must say that at times the wires will mess up, not being able to go through right. So once you get it in, just double check, ensure that they're in the correct order. So orange and white, orange next green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, and then brown. You want to ensure that this the outer shield, it goes right up to the crimp section so that the crimping tool can actually secure it, bring it up to the camera right. So this section there, ensure that the shield go up there. So show it. And then you can double check the end there, ensure that the ends actually reach a stop section there. So now we're gonna crimp this end. So this is a crimping tool. Slide it in like that. So that's it, guys. One end complete. Now I'm gonna move on to the next end. Procedure pretty much the same. Get off about 2 inches. So again, guys, the shield, you can use it to unfold these wires much easier. So again, we start out with orange and white, and then orange, and again, guys, as you go along, just ensure that you're trying to straighten the wires. Now move on to next color, the greens. So next one will be green and white. And then unfold the blue and white, of course. So let's go with blue. Then blue and white. Green. So as you go along, guys, ensure that the wires are straight and ensure that they're in the correct order. The final set will be the brown and white and brown. So brown and white, then finally brown. So now that you have all the wires, just ensure that they are straight, and then gonna use a crimping tool, again like about an inch. Again, guys, you have to ensure that the wires they are straight. So once you get it into the ends, again double check that color coded are correct. So the next thing now is to use a crimping tool. Yes, guys, so this wire now complete, or this Ethernet cable. Now it is time for me to test. And as you can see now, guys, this is a perfect cable with this tester. These lights actually flash to indicate that signal is going through each wire. So the first light indicate that signal is going through 1 and 2, 3 and 6, 4 and 5, and 7 and 8. So This cable is perfect, ready to use on your internet router, your switch, your laptop, your desktop, your camera system, just about any device that requires an Ethernet cable. So once again guys, if you're new to my channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.